Episode 3. Elon launches Chat GPT. BTC with ShaadMilli. Chat GPT and the future of AI. OpenAI's Chat GPT is a rapidly growing natural language processing chatbot that has gained over 1 million users in less than a week, a feat that took Twitter a year to accomplish. In today's episode, we will be discussing why Chat GPT is causing such an uproar and how it's disrupting the technology industry. Chat GPT is a natural language processing chatbot developed by OpenAI, an artificial intelligence app developed and integrated company co-founded by Elon Musk himself. It enables users to communicate with computers in natural language, which pretty much means users can ask it almost any question, make requests such as coding, asking random questions. All in all, this tool is powerful. What sets ChatGPT apart from other AI tools is its ability to understand context within conversation. You can pretty much ask it virtually anything. ChatGPT has already begun replacing jobs in fields such as consulting, education, problem solving, and customer service, all roles that require human interaction, but now can be handled more efficiently with AI technology. In order to protect human copyrights, many cities have passed laws prohibiting students and teachers from using ChatGPT. The first city to do it, none other than New York City. In 2023, artificial intelligence will have a groundbreaking rise. It is important that we remember the ethical implications of these powerful tools and ensure their use is regulated. Now, my favorite segment, Crypto with Millie. Let's see what Bitcoin's cooking up this month. Now, this newsletter was made a week ago when Bitcoin was sitting at 17K. Currently, we're looking at a breakdown from a 3-month balance zone shown in the pink box, 25K to 18K. So when looking at balance, we like to look at price to rotate throughout the range a couple of times until one side fails. As a rule of thumb, we look for breakouts of the balance zone to target 100% of the range in the direction of the breakout or breakdown. So in this case, our downside target over the next few months would be 8,900. And this approach gives us a high of 24,146 and a low of 8,900. In this case, we're calling for a failed breakdown and a rotation of the previous balance area targeted between 24,1 and 25,2. If Bitcoin can reach past 21,800, we could see a 24,000, 25,000 Bitcoin. But people, do not fall for the trap. We may still be going down after that. Hey, I'm not here for financial advice, just here to give you guys the breakdowns that we see. If you want to learn more about options trading, join Goldmouth Trading. If you want to know more about app and dApp development, reach out to All Things Blockchain Network. Alright, thanks. Peace.
Join GMT at link below. Interested in a dApp or need blockchain consulting? Click the link below and contact us.